Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking prerequisites: account security, available stamina, and unlocked game modes. Once done, target repeatable content that drops Z2 medals. Focus parallel quests and raid lobby runs first because they give steady drops. Make sure to equip damage boost units and leader skills to speed clears. Faster clears mean more medal yield per hour. You should also collect any event bonus multipliers, and use stamina items intelligently to extend a single session without burning premium currency. Once you have steady runs, optimize for efficiency. Choose the difficulty that yields the best medals per stamina. You want one-shot or two-shot clears, so build a team with strong leader skills and links that trigger consistently. Make sure to invite friends with matching leaders to further boost speed. Rotate between team comps to match enemy types that drop the required Z2 medals. This reduces wasted runs and increases drop rates. Keep a loot filter mindset. Only run modes that return medal value. You wrap up by converting collected pieces into the final Z2 medals and completing any transform requirements. Make sure to spend medals promptly so inventory doesn't cap and block new drops. If drop rates dip, switch to alternative events or time-limited raids that share medal pools to maintain progress. If something goes wrong, missing drops or crashes, clear the app cache, confirm you're on the latest update, and if necessary, contact support with session logs. That usually resolves desync or missing reward issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.